How to fix TikTok cannot pin video on profile. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok cannot pin video on profile. So to fix your TikTok issue, what you can do is check for the video privacy settings, because only public videos can be pinned. So open your TikTok app, then go to your profile at the bottom right. Now tap the video and then select the three dots at the right side, at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down to the left and then go to privacy settings. Now make sure that who can watch this video, it's set to everyone. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version, because outdated app version frequently cause feature glitches. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.